Greeting, friends. It's a beautiful day, guys, in the garden. It was raining last night, but I just woke up. The garden is so amazing. It's like, oh, it's everything. Everything is oh, look at this. Look at this. Everything is so beautiful. Just working. Before I start working, I like to check and it's raining pretty much. And I need to come here and harvest those spinach thing. I need to come harvest them, and they are a lot. I guess that's going to be my breakfast before I go. Look at this, guys. Beautiful leaves. And it's a lot of them. Some of them even starting to go to seed. Look at this, come on. Look at this. That's enough for me for breakfast. This. And look at this mango is shedding too much by it. And the mango is starting to get yellow. Yellow leaves. I remove all those yellow leaves till she can do her thing now. Thank you, friends, for watching.